This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. I was browsing through Reddit and I came across one of the weirdest things I've ever seen in reselling. Apparently, you can sell hornets nests.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And they're actually going for a pretty good amount of money, ranging anywhere between $50 to $350, maybe even more. I just went through the first page of sold listings and there are a lot of sold listings. Personally, I never knew that, but in case you didn't know that, now you know, you really can't sell anything on eBay. As I was going through this thread, turns out you can also sell pine cones, spiky seed balls, and some other stuff like rocks that you could find in the street. There are opportunities to make money literally everywhere you go. Even a freaking hornet's nest, something that most people would typically just run away from. So for anyone that has any extra time or any random items sitting around in your house, maybe clothes that you don't wear, video games that you don't play anymore, maybe even shoe boxes that you're just planning to get rid of, you can sell them on eBay. Just do the proper calculations to make sure that you're not actually losing money on shipping costs and eBay fees, and you should be good to go. So that's what I've been doing over the past few days. So I sold some clothes that I no longer use anymore. I sold a coffee maker that I copped from Amazon during Prime Day, and I also sold an item that I got for free from what's called Buyer's Portal. In Polar Chefs, we have a section called Buyer's Portal. The way it works is that you go onto this website with hundreds of different products that you can get for free in exchange for a product review. So you buy the item, review the product, and then you get a full refund while you get to keep the item, so it's basically free. However, the downside with this is that it is a little bit time consuming, so I'm gonna do it here and there, but I wouldn't exactly consider this to be one of the primary sources of income throughout the series. What is one of the main incomes throughout the series is credit card farming. So there has been a lot of early Black Friday deals and I basically took advantage of that. So here's how much money I made from credit card rewards farming over the past few days. Price error, another one. This time on Verizon. Everything was 75% off. Now that I think about it, I don't know if this was actually considered to be a price error, but I do know that this is too good to pass up. I bought 10 Anker Bluetooth speakers for $10, which should resell for anywhere between $30 to $35. Later that night too, I was able to get even more items from the sale. Not too bad. I sold this pair of shoes on eBay today, and the second pair of Born and Raised Dunks came in. The Verizon promo continues. Got 10 more speakers for $56 each and should sell for a little less than 100 bucks. A couple of the Verizon orders came in and honestly, I'm very surprised that they even shipped to begin with. As a matter of fact, I've already sold one of the Anker Bluetooth speakers. Also sold some Prime hydration sticks for not a ton of money. And additionally, we had some opportunities for some more credit card rewards farming, so we're gonna go ahead and add that to our profit. Tomorrow, we have a huge drop coming up. A Ma Maniére Jordan 5s. As of right now, it's expected to have quite a lot of resale value, so obviously, we're going for it.